Hey, so if Clipdrop is processing really slow, yeah, like images take forever, tools lag, or everything feels stuck, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is fast and stable. I mean, slow or unstable internet is the biggest cause of slow processing. Next, yeah, close unnecessary apps and browser tabs. I mean, they can slow down your system and browser performance. Now, use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported or outdated browsers can slow down AI tools. Yeah, large images take longer to process. I mean, compressing your image can speed things up a lot. Now, browser extensions or ad blockers can slow down Clipdrop scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, cached data can slow performance over time. Clearing cache often improves speed. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes cache and extension conflicts. Yeah, sometimes Clipdrop servers are overloaded. I mean, this causes slow processing for everyone. If nothing works, switch to another device or browser. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop slow processing issues. Most of the time, it's internet speed, file size, or browser load. Try these steps and things should speed up again. Thanks for watching.